ready to unlock the full sales potential of your Etsy shop. Today, we're diving deep into how to run Etsy ads effectively to boost your product visibility and drive those crucial sales. Let's get started by setting your advertising goals. First, navigate to your Etsy ads dashboard and click Create Campaign. The most important decision here is your budget. Think about how much you're willing to spend daily or monthly. Start with a modest budget, like $510 per day, and adjust based on performance. Etsy will show you a recommended budget, but it's wise to have your own target in mind. Next, we tackle keywords. This is where you tell Etsy what your products are about so they can show them to the right buyers. You can use Etsy's automatic keyword suggestions, which are a great starting point, or input your own relevant terms. Think like a shopper. What would you search for to find your item? Be specific, brainstorm synonyms, and include long-tail keywords. A circumflex euros. Phrases of 3 or more words like handmade ceramic coffee mug with blue glaze. Now, choose which listings you want to advertise. Focus on your best sellers or items you want to promote. You can select individual listings or let Etsy automatically promote your top-performing products. For now, let's manually select a few key listings to kick things off. Once your campaign is running, monitoring is key. Regularly check your Etsy ads dashboard. Pay attention to key metrics like impressions, how many times your ad was seen, clicks, how many times it was clicked, and spend. Most importantly, track your return on ad spend, or ROAS, which tells you how much revenue you're generating for every dollar spent on ads. Don't be afraid to adjust if certain keywords aren't performing well. Pause them if a particular listing isn't getting clicks. Consider improving its title or thumbnail. Gradually increase your budget on successful campaigns. And always be testing new keywords and listings. Consistent monitoring and optimization are the secret sauce to running truly effective Etsy ads and watching your sales grow.